Well, I've heard there was a sneaky gent who yearned to be in Smash Ultimate, then learned he wouldn't be able to win. Who made the cut, the nerd, the prude, the never was, the always nude, the ones who'd never utter Hallelujah, Hallelujah, Hallelujah. Assist trophy, Waluigi. But baby, I've been here before. You opted for the pterosaur. Some squid thing showed up and the fans said booyah. I said an echo would be fine, but you said too bad. Daisy time, it's a cold and it's a broken hallelujah. 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 Waluigi. Now maybe I'd be way too strong. I taught the tier list all day long. But even so, who the heck asked for Pichu? Why won't you let my pace to punch some mascots in the face? Go assist yourself, hallelujah. Hallelujah. Whatever. Waluigi will go destroy everyone and Mario Tennis Aces instead.